Douglas and Mr. Douglas, a good morning to you both.
Mr. Haney, are you feeling all right?
Tip-top. Why?
You didn't try to sell us anything.
Mr. Douglas, it would be unethical for me to park in front of Sam's store and try and sell you something whilst his store is open.
Oliver, the store is closed.
In that case, I'm open. Now, how can I be of service to you?
You can tell us why Mr. Drucker's store is closed.
He's out. That'll be 15 cents.
For what?
For answering your question.
You want me to pay you for answering a question?
Yes. It'll be another 15 cents. Now, will there be anything else you want to know before I total up your bill?
Do you know where he went?
Yes, I do.
How come you didn't charge my wife for answering her question?
Well, it's Ladies' Day.
When will Mr. Drucker be back?
What did she say?
She said, when will Mr. Drucker be back?
Later. You notice I just charged you 10 cents for that because it was a second-hand question.
Oliver, I think I see the letter in our mailbox.
I can't see anything.
Care to buy a pair of Japanese opera glasses made for the emperor himself to watch Japanese operas with?
How much are they?
47 yen, which, according to the current rate of exchange, is $47.
I'm not buying.
Perhaps you'd like to rent them at 5 yen per hour, which at the current rate of exchange is $62. You see, the rate of exchange keeps fluctuating.
I'll give you a quarter for them.
I'll take it. We sure have had a lot of fluctuating today.
I can't see a thing.
Oliver, why don't we just go in?
We can't. The store is locked.
Could I interest you in a professional lock-picking kit?
Lock-picking?
It bears the good housebreaking seal of approval.
Oh, I'm not picking any locks.
Then perhaps you'd like one of these patented window smashers. This model is endorsed by the FBI, the Federal Burglars Institute.
Look, will you...
Would you care for a $10 demonstration? Haney! Uh-oh.
I don't want...
You're just in time. Mr. Douglas was going to break into your store.
I wasn't.
Is there any reward?
No. Haney, how many times have I told you not to park in front of my store and cut into my business?
Sam, I only open my store when yours is closed.
I'm open.
And I'm closed. See, I ain't hard to get along with.